Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect the Arlo base station to Wi-Fi in 2026. So whether you are setting up a new Arlo security system or reconnecting your base station after changing the routers, this guide is going to help you get everything connected properly. Now, before we even begin, the important thing that you need to know here is that most of the Arlo base stations and the smart hubs connect to the router using the Ethernet cable and not direct Wi-Fi like the regular devices. So the base station creates its own secure connection for your Arlo cameras while using your home internet through the router. So you just have to simply place your base Arlo station near the router, and then you need to use the included Ethernet cable to the connect to the base station to an available LAN port. So when you basically do it, you simply plug the power adapter and turn the base station on. Now wait for a few minutes until the LED lights get stabilized. Now on most of the models, the internet light or the power light should turn solid once the connection is successful. After doing so, you just have to simply open your Arlo secure application on your phone. Then on the home page, you just have to simply tap on the option of add secure, add device, and then simply select the Arlo base station or smart hub model. Afterwards, you just have to do nothing but to just simply follow further on-screen instructions in order to complete the setup and sync the base station with your Arlo account. So after the base station appears online, you just have to simply press the sync button on the base station and then simply press the sync button on each Arlo camera as well. Now the camera should automatically pair with the base station within just a few seconds, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.